Alright, let's talk. You're looking to hire a cloud platform engineer. Here's the thing. Most hiring mistakes start with what you look for on paper. You probably think pedigree, big-name employers, or endless certs equal success. But the person who keeps your systems alive often has a different resume. Watch this video and you'll get clear, compliant steps to assess candidates, plus insider hiring tips. We want someone who builds a clean workshop, not a messy garage. This is foundational work. The plumbing and electricity of your tech stack. Get the wrong person and the cracks start showing. Slow systems, angry developers, security holes. A bad hire is like a shoddy foundation. It looks okay briefly, then fails. Productivity plummets, costs rise, and your reputation can take damage. The right cloud platform engineer is a force multiplier. Faster deployments, more secure systems. They build platforms that prevent problems, not just fix them. Hiring well here is one of the smartest investments you can make. Which do you want to build? A rickety shed? Or a state-of-the-art plant? By the end of this guide, you'll know what skills matter, how to assess them, and how to keep hiring fair and compliant. You'll learn to see past the shiny resume to the person who can build the workshop. Let's get down to brass tacks. The skills that actually matter. Chapter: The skills that matter. Ready? Good. Let's dive in. Split skills into two buckets, hard skills and soft skills. First, must-have hard skills, non-negotiables. Infrastructure as code, Terraform, CloudFormation or equivalent IAC tooling, containerization, Docker, orchestration, Kubernetes. Deep knowledge of at least one major cloud provider, AWS, Azure, or GCP. These are the bedrock skills your platform depends on. Nice-to-haves, multi-cloud experience, advanced networking knowledge, policy as code tools like OPA, experience building internal developer portals and service catalogs. Technical skills are only half the battle. Soft skills matter too. Look for problem solvers who ask why and chase root cause. Strong communicators who can simplify complexity. Humility, collaboration, and a teaching mindset. Look for those traits. They should be obsessed with delivering value, not just flashy tech. You can't just trust a resume. Roll up your sleeves and dig in. Forget trick questions and brain teasers. See how they approach real work. Give a small, well-defined practical exercise that mirrors the job. Example: ask for a small Terraform module to deploy a secure S3 bucket with logging enabled. It won't be perfect, but it reveals process, attention to detail, and testing habits. Use behavior-based questions to learn what they actually did, not hypotheticals. Ask, tell me about a time you had to troubleshoot a complex system-wide issue. What was the problem? What steps did you take to diagnose it, and what was the outcome? Ask, describe a platform or tool you built to make life easier for developers. How did you gather feedback? A weak answer focuses on cool tech without impact. A strong answer shows user empathy, iteration, and measurable improvement. If asked how they'd handle disagreement, a weak answer lectures. A strong one asks goals, constraints, explains rationale, then partners on a solution. A good candidate balances developer needs with platform security and reliability. See the difference? Look for partners, not dictators. Next, where to find these people and what tools will keep hiring fair and efficient. Start with your team's network. Referrals are gold. A trusted employee referral carries character and context. Top source #1, active contributors on GitHub. Living resumes you can inspect. Top source #2, cloud-native meetups and forums, people who show up in their own time. Top source #3, employee referrals and targeted LinkedIn outreach. Use an ATS to manage fairness and consistent candidate tracking. But don't let it auto-filter your hires. Use consistent technical assessments like CoderPad or HackerRank to reduce bias. Structured interview scorecards and rubrics keep everyone comparing apples to apples. Write inclusive JDs, trim long nice-to-have lists, and standardize interview panels for consistency. Now, the traps to avoid when hiring for this role. Trap #1, rushing to fill the role. Slow down. Bad hires cost more than delay. Trap #2, over-indexing on pedigree. Focus on demonstrated impact, not logos. Don't hire for fit alone. Ask how a candidate will add to the team. Compliant sample questions. What about this role interests you? What environment helps you do your best work? Final checks. Structured process, practical tests, behavior questions, consistent rubrics. If you hire right now, check peopleteam.com/hiring. Subscribe for more hiring guides.